Welcome to English Step by Step. Here, learning English is simple and fun. We are in the Austrian Alps for 3 days. Today we try skiing, snowboarding, and snowmobiles. It will be a true winter adventure. Hello, we want to rent skis and snowboards. Hello, we want to rent skis and snowboards. Yes, please give us 2 helmets too. Yes, please give us 2 helmets too. Here are your skis, boots, and helmets. Here are your skis, boots, and helmets. Thank you, everything looks good. Thank you, everything looks good. This slope looks so big. This slope looks so big. Don't worry, let's go slowly. Don't worry, let's go slowly. Wow, the snow is soft. Wow, the snow is soft. Yes, it feels perfect for skiing. Yes, it feels perfect for skiing. Hold your poles like this. Hold your poles like this. Okay, I am ready to try. Okay, I am ready to try. I am going down first. I am going down first. Yes, I will follow you. Yes, I will follow you. Careful, it's steep here. Careful, it's steep here. I can do it, watch me. I can do it, watch me. That was fun. That was fun. Yes, I almost fell, but I'm fine. Yes, I almost fell, but I'm fine. Let's try the snowboard now. Let's try the snowboard now. Okay, help me tighten the boots. Okay, help me tighten the boots. Stand sideways, then bend your knees. Stand sideways, then bend your knees. Like this? Like this? Yes, that's perfect. Yes, that's perfect. Wow, I am moving. Wow, I am moving. Yes, keep balance. Yes, keep balance. Oh no, I fell down. Oh no, I fell down. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Let's take the lift up again. Let's take the lift up again. Yes, the view is amazing from here. Yes, the view is amazing from here. Look at the mountains. Look at the mountains. They are so white and tall. They are so white and tall. I feel the cold wind on my face. I feel the cold wind on my face. Yes, it feels refreshing. Yes, it feels refreshing. Let's race down the hill. Let's race down the hill. Okay, but slowly. Okay, but slowly. That was exciting. That was exciting. Yes, I am getting better. Yes, I am getting better. Let's stop for a break. Let's stop for a break. Yes, I need hot chocolate. Yes, I need hot chocolate. Excuse me, 2 hot chocolates, please. Excuse me, 2 hot chocolates, please. Here you go, enjoy. Here you go, enjoy. This is delicious. This is delicious. Yes, and so warm. Yes, and so warm. Let's sit by the fireplace. Let's sit by the fireplace. Good idea, it's cozy here. Good idea, it's cozy here. Look at all the people skiing. Look at all the people skiing. Yes, some are very fast. Yes, some are very fast. Shall we try a ski lesson? Shall we try a ski lesson? Yes, let's ask the trainer. Yes, let's ask the trainer. Hello, can you give us a ski lesson? Hello, can you give us a ski lesson? Of course, follow me. Of course, follow me. Bend your knees and relax. Bend your knees and relax. Okay, I will try. Okay, I will try. Turn left, then right. Turn left, then right. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Great job. Great job. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. This was very helpful. This was very helpful. Yes, I feel more confident now. Yes, I feel more confident now. Let's take some photos. Let's take some photos. Yes, with the mountains behind us. Yes, with the mountains behind us. Smile. Smile. Say cheese. Say cheese. These pictures look amazing. These pictures look amazing. Yes, perfect memories. Yes, perfect memories. Let's try the snowmobile tonight. Let's try the snowmobile tonight. Wow, that sounds exciting. Wow, that sounds exciting. Here are the keys and helmets. Here are the keys and helmets. Thank you, we are ready. Thank you, we are ready. The engine sounds powerful. The engine sounds powerful. Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. We are riding through the forest. We are riding through the forest. The lights make it look magical. The lights make it look magical. The snow is sparkling at night. The snow is sparkling at night. Yes, it feels like a dream. Yes, it feels like a dream. Faster, but be careful. Faster, but be careful. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. This ride is unforgettable. This ride is unforgettable. Yes, pure adventure. Yes, pure adventure. Let's stop for a moment. Let's stop for a moment. Look at the stars above us. Look at the stars above us. So many stars tonight. So many stars tonight. Yes, the sky is clear. Yes, the sky is clear. I will never forget this night. I will never forget this night. Yes, me too. Yes, me too. Back at the hotel now. Back at the hotel now. Yes, let's warm up. Yes, let's warm up. Dinner in the Alps feels special. Dinner in the Alps feels special. Yes, the food is delicious. Yes, the food is delicious. Shall we order wine? Shall we order wine? Yes, 2 glasses, please. Yes, 2 glasses, please. To our Alpine trip. To our Alpine trip. Cheers. Cheers. Look at the lights in the valley. Look at the lights in the valley. Yes, so beautiful at night. Yes, so beautiful at night. Tomorrow we ski again. Tomorrow we ski again. Yes, I can't wait. Yes, I can't wait. The snow looks even better today. The snow looks even better today. Yes, fresh and soft. Yes, fresh and soft. Let's go down the long slope. Let's go down the long slope. Yes, let's do it. Yes, let's do it. Wow, so fast. Wow, so fast. Yes, amazing feeling. Yes, amazing feeling. I fell but I am okay. I fell but I am okay. Haha, I saw that. Haha, I saw that. Let's try snowboarding again. Let's try snowboarding again. Yes, I want to improve. Yes, I want to improve. This time I will not fall. This time I will not fall. Yes, you are doing great. Yes, you are doing great. Look at you. Look at you. Yes, I am learning. Yes, I am learning. We should rest a bit. We should rest a bit. Yes, let's sit down. Yes, let's sit down. Do you hear the music? Do you hear the music? Yes, from the ski bar. Yes, from the ski bar. Let's go there. Let's go there. Yes, maybe some mulled wine. Yes, maybe some mulled wine. 2 mulled wines, please. 2 mulled wines, please. Here you are. Here you are. Very good. Very good. Yes, perfect after skiing. Yes, perfect after skiing. People are dancing here. People are dancing here. Yes, such good energy. Yes, such good energy. Let's join them. Let's join them. Okay, just for fun. Okay, just for fun. That was fun. That was fun. Yes, I feel happy. Yes, I feel happy. The sun is setting now. The sun is setting now. Yes, beautiful colors. Yes, beautiful colors. Let's take more photos. Let's take more photos. Yes, the sunset is perfect. Yes, the sunset is perfect. I feel tired now. I feel tired now. Yes, but it was worth it. Yes, but it was worth it. Let's go back to the hotel. Let's go back to the hotel. Yes, time to rest. Yes, time to rest. The fireplace looks so nice. The fireplace looks so nice. Yes, warm and cozy. Yes, warm and cozy. Today was full of adventures. Today was full of adventures. Yes, an amazing day. Yes, an amazing day. We learned English for renting equipment, skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiles, and ordering drinks. Yes, now we can travel and enjoy the Alps with simple English. Next, we continue our road trip from the Alps into Italy. Milan is waiting for us.